everybody, this is Joe with Mid-Fleet Dinghy Repair. Just want to give you an update on what I'm doing. This is a 1991 35-year-old MC Scow, and I've been restoring it. I took off all the gel coat, and I just want to give you an update where I am. This is some of the stuff I'm using now. Made myself a longboard sander. There's no sandpaper on it right now, but look at it, it's partly flexible. It helps go across the flat bottom. Got this for hearing protection, and I can play music with it. Pretty good stuff. It's like 35 bucks. Eye protection. Of course, you got to protect yourself against dust. This is great for grinding and helps cut down the vibration from my Bosch sander, the GT75. Great sander. But look at the progress we've made. This is all smooth, super smooth, but look at where we're at with this. That is perfect. And you can see at the end it has a nice curve where the daylight is over there. So it's coming along pretty good. I have it done up to the longboard. And we're going to continue to put a lot of work into this and make it perfect.